Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can redeem your American Express gift card on Roblox. Before getting started, make sure that you're connected to an internet service and also make sure to stick with us till the end of this video. Open up any web browser of your choice, and once you open up your web browser, on the search box you'll need to type in www.roblox.com and make sure that you're already logged into your account. As you can see that I'm already logged into my Roblox account, and this is how the interface is gonna look like. So to redeem or use your American Express gift card on your Roblox account, it is as similar as using a credit card on any other applications. Basically, you can use it as a payment method or in the billing process. Roblox has its own currency type. So what you need to do is, you can see in the top right corner you have Robux. Now Robux is basically a premium currency of Roblox. So it will help you to buy games and private server and many other things. As soon as you click on Robux, you'll be able to see the package as well as the premium in order to redeem your gift card. So what you have to do is you have to select any of these packages, and after that it will take you to the billing page. When you're trying to use your American Express gift card, it will convert the amount into Robux, so you need to select the payment method. As you can see that AmeX is accepted, so all you need to do is just select credit card, and after that you'll be taken to the page where you need to enter in your detail of your American Express gift card. Right over here you'll need to enter in the card number, expiry date, and then the CVV number of your American Express gift card. After you do this, you need to click on convert to Robux button, and then you'll be receiving a confirmation screen, and then you'll have to click on redeem to complete the conversion. And if you change your mind, you can cancel to not convert the credit card. And if you want to continue with the process, then click on convert, and then you've successfully used your American Express gift card on your Roblox. Basically, your amount will be converted into Robux. After redemption, you'll be able to access a lot of features available on Roblox. In this way, you can use your American Express gift card on Roblox. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. And thank you for watching.